I'm on the set of an instructional video or an educational video shoot that we are doing here in Jeff City, and I just wanted to come on and let you all know that this is an option for you if you're a business or a nonprofit organization to add educational videos to your offerings. Maybe you have a course you could sell. Maybe it's a free instructional video that you can offer as a lead magnet to get more customers or donors or something like that. Everybody has something that they're an expert in, and so I imagine that there is an educational video or instructional video that you can offer to your audience. YouTube is a great place to be for instructional material or educational material because it's the #2 search engine next to Google. You have something that you have knowledge on that you can be the expert in. People want to buy or donate to people that they know, like, and trust. And so an educational video can be an excellent tool for that. It builds likability, it sets you up as the expert, and in turn, they can trust that you know what you're talking about, and I would love to help you create a vision for an educational video or a video series, or maybe even a video course.